Namaste children. Welcome to our next class. In last class you learned about organs of excretion and what are the different organs in urinary system, how they are helping us. This all you learned. And today you are going to learn about the importance of the urinary system. How important this urinary system is, what happens if we are not able to remove the waste materials from the body, you are going to learn in today's class. So before going to the lesson, we'll see the keywords. First one, FILTER, filter. Filter means to separate unwanted solids from a liquid or a gas. So removing the unwanted materials from solids, liquids and gases known as filter. Now you listen this.
Filter. To separate unwanted solids from a liquid or gas.
So here to understand how the kidneys, ureters, urethra are working in our body, we can do one small activity. You need to do this activity with the help of two plastic glasses, cotton balls, two straws and a big bowl and some sand and red food color. You need to arrange your setup in this way. I'll show you in this picture. So two cotton glasses you need to arrange in this way. Have you arranged your two plastic glasses should arrange like this, and inside the plastic glass one cotton ball, and these two glasses should have connection with straws. Two straws should be connected with this plastic glass, and this below the straw a big bowl to be arranged. The whole experiment setup you need to make to understand the function of your urinary system. Now take another glass, add some sand and food color to that glass.
Just as we remove waste from liquids through filters in
Now the sand and the food color, mix it well and pour in these two glasses. Now the cotton absorbs some color and only the waste materials it allowed to pass through this straw. You can see here.
filtration, the kidneys act like filters and form urine.
So here these two cotton balls are acting like your kidneys in your urinary system. They are filtering, they are separating the waste materials from the blood. So these waste materials from these two straws coming to this big bowl. So these two straws are acting like your ureters. These two straws are equal to your ureters. They are just connecting the kidneys and the urinary bladder. Kidneys, these cotton balls are equal to your kidneys. Both are acting like filters. They are filtering the blood, they are removing the waste materials from the blood, and they are sending through the straws to the bowl. Same way in our body, kidneys are filtering the blood and sending this waste but through the ureters into the urinary bladder. So from the urinary bladder, the urine is passed out.
Ureters take it to the bladder. Urine is removed from the bladder by the urethra.
So from the urethra, this is the part which is helping to remove the urine, this known as urethra. So urethra helps to remove the urine from the urinary bladder. So this is the urinary bladder. Understood? How well your model helped you to understand the function of urinary system. to understand the function of kidneys and ureters in your urinary system. Now we will discuss according to the activity what you have done. How is the filtration activity similar to the function of the urinary system? Just now I showed you the two cotton balls are acting like kidneys, the straws acting like ureters, and the big bowl acting like urethra. So, in this way, this model is helping to understand the function of kidneys and urinary organs. Cotton balls in the cups represents the filters found in the kidneys. Yes? And then cotton separates some substances from the liquid. This is similar to the way kidneys filter out a few things like excess water and salts and harmful substances from the blood to form urine. So, in the form of urine, it will come. The rest of the useful things remain in the blood. So, the model exactly giving you an idea about the urinary system and different excretory organs in our body. How does the urinary system help our body? You know very well, if the waste materials are stagnated in our body, they'll become toxic to our body. They are harmful to our body, so we need to remove this toxic waste from our body timely. So how can we do this? How do the urinary system is helping? The two kidneys are helping to filter the blood and sending the waste products to the ureters, and urinary bladder is collecting those waste materials, sending out through the urethra, right? The same thing you can see here. Urinary system has kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. All these organs are connected and help to remove the waste from the body. The kidneys help to filter the blood and form the urine that contains waste and excess water and salts. The urinary bladder helps to store urine and periodically removes it from the body through the urethra. So, this is how your urinary system is working with the help of different excretory organs. What would happen if humans did not have a urinary system? The waste, the excess water, the salts could not remove from the body. When they are stagnated in the body, they'll become toxic to us. They'll become harmful to our body, and it may lead to the death of the person. So kidneys are very very important in person's body. So the urinary system helps clean the blood of any waste and excess water and salt. If the urinary system was absent in the human body, waste would start accumulating in the body. As a result, the organs in our body would not function properly and we would fall ill. Yes? So it is very very important to have proper excretory organs, especially the urinary system organs like kidneys, need to work properly. Otherwise, we are going to face many problems. Now, you see what are the questions given in 10.3 in your worksheet. You can see here, circle the things present in the urine. Which things are present in the urine? Does the salt present in the urine? Yes, obviously. So circle that. Is the blood present in the urine? No. You will not get blood when you are visiting the washroom, right? So blood is not present in the urine. Don't circulate. Water, yes, the water is also present, excess water in the urine. And feces not belongs to the urinary system, it belongs to the digestive system formed in the large intestine and sent out from the anus. Rectum and anus are helping to send out. Now look at the picture showing tea leaves being filtered from tea. This in everyday day-to-day life you might have seen the funnel which your mother used for filtering the tea and coffee, and the cup, kettle and tongs which we use to hold the hot things. Then after observing this, you can answer the questions which are given. By based on this experiment setup, you need to answer the questions. So the first question is, how is the role of the kidneys in our body similar to the process shown in the picture? Role of the kidneys in our body. So here in this picture, the role of the kidneys place who are taking this funnel is taking the role of kidneys. How this funnel is removing the waste materials, same way your kidneys are removing the waste materials. How this funnel is helping to filter the coffee. It's filtering the coffee, separating the coffee powder with coffee. Same way your kidneys are filtering the blood, separating the waste products from the blood. Okay. So you need to say about the kidneys function by comparing with the given picture. Now the next question, write two ways in which the urinary system is useful to us. Urinary system is useful to us to remove the waste products from the body. To remove the waste products from the body, we are using our urinary system. Okay, now next one. What would happen if the kidneys of a person do not filter the waste? Write one problem. If the person do not excreting the waste products from the body and these waste materials gets accumulated in the body and cause harm for our body. They damage our kidneys. They damage our kidneys. Kidneys cannot work properly so that the person can't do his regular activities. Yes? So these are the important functions of our urinary system. Now read this lesson from your content book. Content book 10.3, page number Content book 10.3, page number 29. Page number 29. Neatly you go through it. Nicely read the lesson and try to answer these practice questions which are given in the page number 29. So here he is asking you to underline the things present in urine. What the different things present in the urine, you have to underline it. So is the blood present in the urine? No, just now we discussed in the worksheet. Water, salts are present in the urine, so you can underline that. Oils? No, oil is also absent in urine. Waste? Definitely the waste products are present in the urine. That's what going to be removed or filtered by our kidneys. Draw a flow chart to explain how the urinary system helps to remove the waste from the body. So you can write the flow chart like it starts from filtration starts from kidneys. From kidney waste products come to the ureters. From the ureters go to the urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder through urethra. Through urethra, waste products are sent out. So this is known as flow chart of your urinary system. Now, what would happen if the kidneys do not maintain water balance? If the kidneys do not also maintain the amount of water in the body, if we drink less water, our urine will have less water. If we drink more water, our urine will have more water. In this way, the kidneys are helping to maintain the water balance in the body. And you also draw the diagram of excretory system neatly in your classwork. And tomorrow we are going to read what happens if a kidney failure occur in any person's body. Then how the people get saved and what process is going on behind this. This all we are going to learn in tomorrow's class. Thank you, children. Answer these practice questions and workbook questions and be ready for next class. Thank you.